Hello dear. So in this video I will show you how we can make a rose essence which you can store in vodka or in alcohol. I'm using vodka because it don't have any extra smell other than otherwise you can use whiskey or rum, anything, but vodka is the best one, so that it do not have any its own smell. And here we have pure organic roses which I have collected from this my rose plant, and this is the rose essence which is basically this is in water, pure water, and how after keeping in 6 hours in sunlight you can see how nice color is came. And rose essence have many benefits of its own. If you read, this is used in like homeopathic medicine or some other benefits. And so let's start to make our own rose essence from pure roses. How beautiful roses are here.
Hello, here I would like to show you, this is my rose plant. ये मेरा गुलाब का पौधा है और it has very good flower right now, and I would like to show you how to make a rose flower essence. गुलाब के फूलों का एसेंस कैसे बना सकते हैं. So उसके लिए we need a bowl, कांच का बाउल ले लीजिए. And I will not touch the flower with my hand. I will just use and will cut directly into bowl, so like this one. So here you can see these 2 flowers, and I will collect one more. And maybe one more, 4 flowers. So here you can see these 4 flowers I have taken, and after that we need pure water as much as possible. So we need साफ पानी हम लोगों को चाहिए. So before that we need to remove the green part also from here. So I will use a tweezer to remove this one.
Now let's check our flower. So here you can see in this flower there is some web spider, so just remove this one. Usually rose flower have different bugs also, so make sure they are not here. So my rose flower looks very nice, and now and I collected all these flower in the morning time. So हमको ये गुलाब सुबह में ही एकत्र करने हैं, सूरज के निकलने से थोड़ी देर बाद. And these green petals I will leave them as such. This will be okay. So मैं इन green petals को ऐसे ही रहने देता हूँ. अब now I will add some water in this one, so that our flower get and then we'll keep these into the sunlight. So here you can see water is, the flower is floating on the water, and basically I will add some more water. and these flower have their own energies and their vibration. Now after that we will keep them into the sunlight. Now I will shake this bowl so that the flower can merge into the water and water can splash on the flower. In this way, I'm holding camera from one hand and shaking with the other hand. So basically in this way the flower energy and vibration will come to the water, and after some time I will keep this jar into the sunlight for 4 to 6 hours direct. So ये हमको थोड़ा सा हिलाना है पानी और गुलाब, ताकि फूलों की खुशबू और फूलों का एसेंस और फूलों की एनर्जी अच्छे से पानी में मिल सके. इसके बाद हम इनको डायरेक्ट सनलाइट में रख देंगे 5-6 घंटे के लिए. Now you can see I kept in the sunlight, and we'll leave them here for 4 to 6 hours in the sunlight. You can just shake a few times so that flower can get more, your water can get more energy, and it looks beautiful. We'll come back after 4 to 6 hours, then filter it. So now you can see sun is almost, day is over, we are going to sunset, and so 6 घंटे के बाद or after 6 hours, how this rose essence look like. Now we'll go to filter it. So it's time to filter. So now we will filter this. अभी से हम लोग छान लेंगे. We need 2 clean bottles. So let me put it here first. And let's keep this something here. So this is the easiest way to filter, and here you can see some thing was there. And now we have this pure rose essence, so we need to store this one. To store these we will use this vodka. ये हमारा प्योर कंसंट्रेटेड रोज एसेंस है. इसको हमें सुरक्षित करने के लिए वोदका डालेंगे. सो वोदका मिक्स करने के लिए दिस इज अ न्यू बॉटल, and so why we are adding, basically we need to preserve this stock solution. This is called the stock solution. So गुलाब के एसेंस को सुरक्षित करने के लिए we have to use हमें वोदका एल्कोहल यूज़ करना है, ताकि इसे हम लंबे समय तक सुरक्षित रख सकें. We will use this very quickly, so I'm not going to add any alcohol here. So I will use within a day, but I would like to keep this for a long time, so I would like to add vodka here. It's a 50-50. So now you can keep this essence for long time. So next step would be we have to tap it, and we need to store in a dark, in a brown paper, or because I don't have brown bottle, so I'm going to use this brown paper.
So now this is our stock solution with the vodka. So we have to make it for long storage. We have to tap it on 128 times on our hand. So here you can see इसको हमें 128 बार अपने हाथ में मारना होगा. So just like this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Okay, so this I have patted or tapped on my hand for 128 times. Now this is the stock solution. This is the pure stock solution. We can make a mini stock solution from here by adding 7 drops only in another vodka or in other alcohol or in water. So, and now we will label this one so that we can keep it for a long time. This is a pure essence in water which we can use very quickly within 2 days, basically within 8 days. So now it's time to label it. So now you can see I have labeled this one rose essence in vodka. This is a stock solution which we made today, and this we need to store in a dark place because I don't have any brown bottle. And this is pure essence in water which we are going to use very quickly within 1 day or 2. So here we can store this in this kind of brown bottle like this one for long time uses. And this is the way we can make our rose essence at home if we have very fresh flower.